Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this session, I want to talk about subdivision modeling, box modeling, and some topology, and we want to talk about some modifier like Lattice and TurboSmooth. So, let's start. First one, I want to talk about subdivision modeling or box modeling. It means when I want to create something, for example, when I want to create a desk, for first I create a box, and after that with Editable Poly and Editable Poly, I can create a desk or table or chair, and this is subdivision modeling or box modeling. And in subdivision modeling, in every polygon, just I have four sides. For example, if I convert this to Editable Poly and I select this one, for example, I want to create one connect here, and also select this one and make a connect here. Now, if I look at here, okay, I have four sides, and also here I have four sides, but here I have five sides. This is not normal and it's not shown in subdivision modeling. So if I want to make connect here for this side, I have to select all, ring, and then connect. It's true way for create connect in subdivision modeling. For example, now I want to create a chair here. First, I create a box, and I move this in z-axis like this. Now I select all and I need to connect, and okay, and select this one and ring again and connect. Okay, and now I need polygon, this one, with control you can select all, and now I use extrude. Okay, now I have this. So in real, all objects don't have a sharp angle here, little bit curve. Use TurboSmooth. It's not same before, and this is not my desk. So what should we do? Okay, I turn off this, and in Editable Poly, I have to create some edge here, and for example, I select this, ring, and connect. Okay, you can see you have to create a new edge near to the corner, and also here select this, ring, and connect. Okay, and again. Until I create this, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question and if you want to learn something, just comment for me. Okay, I will check now that it's true or no. Okay, here I have a little, yeah, I need more. Okay, now I think better. Yeah, now I have one disk here and use TurboSmooth. So don't forget to use foreground for create clean objects. For example, look at here, the sphere. If I create this, you can see here we have three sides, so not foreground. So what should I do? For example, if I want to create one sphere with a subdivision modeling or box modeling, I create a box. And then convert to Editable Poly and use TurboSmooth And now you can see I have a lot of quad here with 4 sides, but here I have 3 sides, and it's a normal square in subdivision modeling or box modeling. So that's right. But sometimes we don't want to use subdivision modeling. Just we want to create one new topology for ourselves. For example, in pavement stone, we don't have always a full quad or some normal topology. Sometimes we have different shapes. So what should we do? For example, if I create one plane here, I can see all of these full quad for subdivision modeling or box modeling, but when I want to create new topology for myself, no need for quad or for or something like that, what should I do? For example, if I convert this to Editable Poly, and now I want to delete this one. If I tap delete, also delete the polygon, but I don't want this. If I select this one and use backspace, you can see I just can delete this edge from here. We create a random. And now, if I want to use this topology, for example, for paving, I can, if I want to use for floor, I can select all polygon and then insert like this and use extrude. So, but for example, if I want to use for frame, for example, for window, I have to use lattice. Now you can see, wait, rotate from here. Delete all polygon, and here in parameter, ask me in geometry, you just want vertex or you just want edge or both. For example, I select both, and also in a join or vertex, I can change the shape like this, and also change like this. So this is one way. And also, if I create a plane and if I convert this to Editable Poly, remember in modeling, in polygon modeling, I have one option like generate topology. If I click here, I have one window that I have some topology that I can use. For example, I use this one. Sometimes you have to use, you have to select one edge. For example, I select this one, and also I can combine it together. For example, now I want to select this one. You can see I can combine it together. And now I have one new topology for myself, and I have one more option. For example, if I select all edge and then create shape from selection, ask me what the name of this, it's okay. Select this one, and now you can see I have new shape, and if in modify, I select enable in viewport and rendering, I can see this. Look. And also, I can select all polygon, insert, and then use a bevel, for example, like this. and click, or also I can delete the polygon. I can create one topology for myself. Alright. Now we can create some topology for ourselves, and now we know what's subdivision modeling or box modeling, and what's the difference between topology or box modeling or something like that. And if it's useful for you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and comment for me, and don't miss the next video that we want to talk about more tips in 30 Max. See you in the next one.